Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariowit, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to delete account on Facebook. I will show you how to do it, so you may like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. So what you need to do is first log in on your account Facebook. Now you click on the settings and privacy. Now again on settings. And now you click on your Facebook information here, and here you have deactivation and deletion. Click on view, and here you have two options: delete account, this is permanent; on the deactivate account, this can be temporary. Okay, I will show you delete, and now you may download information, transfer copy. You need now password, continue. Delete account. You are about to permanently delete your account. If you are ready to delete, click delete account. Once you submit your account for deletion, you have 13 days to reactivate your account and cancel the deletion. Okay, as you can see, it is that, and later you click delete, and you did it. So that's all. You have return. You must in less in 13 days log in on your account and you have recovered your account. But after 13 days your account will be deleted permanently. Okay, so thanks for watching. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, share to your friends. Bye bye, see you next time. Thanks.